Gorilla trekking in Rwanda, an unforgettable adventure. Welcome to Rwanda, a country of lush green hills and vibrant wildlife. Today, we are going to take you on an adventure of a lifetime as we explore the magnificent mountain gorillas in the Volcanoes National Park. As you start your journey, you will be greeted by the stunning views of the rolling hills and the misty mountain forests. These forests are home to one of the world's most endangered species, the mountain gorillas. Your trek begins with a briefing from your guide, who will provide you with all the necessary information about the gorillas and the rules to be followed while trekking. Then, you will embark on a hike through the lush green forests, where you will have the opportunity to witness some of the most diverse flora and fauna. As you reach the gorilla habitat, your guide will help you find the gorillas and ensure that you keep a safe distance from them. You will have the chance to observe these gentle giants as they go about their daily routine, playing, grooming, and feeding. The sheer size and power of the gorillas will leave you awestruck. While the trek to see the gorillas can be challenging, it is definitely worth it. The journey takes you through some of the most beautiful landscapes, and the experience of seeing these majestic creatures up close is truly unforgettable. Gorilla trekking in Rwanda is a once-in-a-lifetime experience that should be on everyone's bucket list. It is a chance to witness the beauty of nature and appreciate the importance of conservation efforts. So come and join us on this adventure and create memories that will last a lifetime. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and do visit for.oloshorawa.com.